Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So here I am with a new chapter in maths, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, so this trigonometry is very helpful, okay, for you if you're taking science in class 11 and 12. Okay, this is ninth, 11th, 12th. Okay, in Karnataka it is called as PUC, pre-university college. Okay, so if you are a student who have just written your class 10 exam, you might have known about this. Okay, so if you want to watch this, watch it just for the revision. Okay, and because it is useful, as I said, in PUC also. Okay, only if you are taking science stream, not corpus or arts. Okay, and in future if you are doing BSc or engineering, there also it is very helpful. Okay, so I will be explaining in detail about the trigonometry. Okay, and since this is our first class on trigonometry, I will be just telling about the basics of trigonometry, and a topic known as trigonometric ratios will be discussed in this video. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, so and also I have made the same video, okay, in Hindi. So if you are comfortable with Hindi, you can watch it that. Okay, in the description box the link will be available. So let us start this trigonometry. Okay, so the letter, okay, the word actually trigonometry is derived from a Greek word. Okay, it derived from the Greek word. Okay, and it is a combination of three letters. Tri, not letters, they are words. Okay, gon and metron. Trigon and metron. What does it mean? Tri means three. Okay, gon means sides, and gon actually, and metron means measurement. So it is the measurement of three sides. So, which polygon has three sides? Yes, you are right. It is a triangle. And trigonometry is particularly about a right triangle. And what is a right triangle? A triangle with an angle 90-degree in it. Okay, we call this as a right angle triangle or just right triangle. Okay, so what do we actually study in trigonometry, and before studying, where do we use this? Okay, so earlier sailors used to use this trigonometry, applications of trigonometry. Okay, and if you know the angle, okay, example, this is the ground level. Okay, there is a building over here of some height. You know the distance between this point and this, and if you know the angle, okay, means the measurement of rotation from this line to this, okay, that we call it as angle. So without measuring actual height, you can find the height of this building, okay, with the help of this angle. This is where we are going to use the trigonometry. Okay, so it is just the study of relationship between the sides and the angles. The angles could be here, here, and this is always 90-degree. Okay, it can also be written like this. Okay, make sure there is a right angle. Okay, or if you want to write like this, even this is okay. Okay, even this is okay. All of them are okay. Make sure you have a right angle in it. Okay, so what is trigonometry? It is the relation, it is the study of, if I write, it is the study of relationships. Okay, it is a study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, relationship between the sides and angles. So how are you going to relate these sides and angles? For that we have trigonometric ratios. What do we have? Yes, we have trigonometric ratios. Yes, so before learning about trigonometric ratios, first learn some basic terms. Okay, see, if I take a right angle triangle ABC, okay, this is a right angle triangle ABC with B as 90 degree. Okay, angle B is 90 degree. So the sides opposite to the given angle, even if the angle was here, okay, if the angle was here, or in another case, let me take the angle at A. Okay, this B is 90 degree, C is this one. So the side opposite to angle B, that is 90 degree, which is that AC, we call that as hypotenuse side. What do we call it as? Hypotenuse side. Okay. And the side opposite to the theta, if you have taken theta, this is read as theta. Okay, it is written as theta and read as theta. Okay. The side opposite to this angle theta, which is that AB, we call that as opposite side. What do we call it as? Opposite side. And the side which is remaining, okay, we call it as what? Adjacent. Adjacent side. Adjacent of what? This angle theta. Okay, so same thing you have to remember. If theta is here, this is 90 degrees, so opposite side of 90 is called hypotenuse. Let me represent it by H. Opposite side of theta, which is that this BC, we call this as opposite. Okay, in previous case this was opposite because theta is here, so opposite side is AB. Now since theta is at A, opposite side of A is BC, therefore this is O, and the last one is what? Adjacent, so we'll represent it by A. Okay, now these ratios, the ratios of side will give you trigonometric ratios. We have mainly 6 ratios. I will tell you: sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and we have cosec theta. Why I'm writing like this, I will tell you later. Sec theta and cot theta. So these theta are basically trigonometric ratios. These ratios, how are you going to uh, find out what is sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta? So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse side. Okay, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be confusing, right? How are you going to learn this? So for that I have a trick. Remember this: there is a guy whose name is Sohail. Okay, he got a visa, he was going somewhere out of India. Okay, so someone asked Sohail, kahan ja raha hai? So his answer was to America. Where was he going? To America. Okay, now just remember these three terms: Sohail, kahan, CAHAN, to America. And this first three will give you the formula: S for sine, C for cos, T for tan, O for opposite divided by hypotenuse. Just look at this: A for adjacent, H for hypotenuse, O for opposite, A for adjacent. So if you know, if you can by this trick, it will be helpful to remember this formula. Okay, now what is this O and H? If you take angle like this, O is this side, H is this. If you take angle over here, O is this side, H is this side. Got it? Now I have written adjacent to this, what? Cosec, sec, and cot. Why? Because cosec is reciprocal of sine, that is ulta of sine. Means I can write this as 1 by sine theta. So O by H will become what? H by O, that's all. Sec is reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos theta. So A by H can be written as H by A, ulta, that's all. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot, so O by A can be written as A by O. So if you remember these three, this will be easy for you. There is no need of batting the ratios of these three, okay, because they are just interchanging, means they are just the reciprocal of the original ones. Okay, now to avoid the confusion, see, if you take S here, reciprocal is C. If you take C, its reciprocal is S. And for T, in this also you have T. So tan, cot, T, T. Both of them are reciprocal of each other. So like this you can remember this. Okay. So I hope you have understood these ratios. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to solve problems based on these formulae, actually these ratios. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you, take care.